Hi, my name is Ashish, and in this video we will see how to block network traffic with Azure Virtual Network Manager. Let me just quickly log on to the portal and take it from there. I'm logged on to the portal and I'm on my Azure Virtual Network Manager. So you go to the configurations, let it load, and you see this configuration that was already deployed, and you click on create and you click on security admin configuration. You name it anything that you want. You click on add a rule collection and you give it a name. Click on my rule, select the target network group. You only have one. Then you click on add a rule. And you give it a name. Like, let's say you want to do deny RDP. Okay, it would go like this. You can add the description. You can set the priority here. I'm going to set it to 1. Then you would go to an action. You would say that it's an deny because I'm creating a deny rule. Then the direction would be inbound. Protocol would be TCP. Source type would be IP address. You can mention the IP address here, like if you want to deny the inbound rule. You can mention the source IP address here. You can mention the source port. Destination type would be IP address, and you can mention the port name as 3389. Click on add. After that, you can repeat these steps. Again, if you want to add more roles, you click on save. You click on this, you click on add. It successfully created. Now you have to deploy it. You go on to the deployments. You click on deploy a configuration. You click on security admin because we just created it. You select your configuration. You select the region and then you click on deploy. It will take some time, let's say 10-15 minutes. Maybe less than that, and it would be deployed. That is how you would block the network traffic with Azure Virtual Network Manager. I hope you liked this video and it was beneficial for you. If you have any further queries, please mention them in the comment section, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you.